Good evening, Fiend fans. And welcome to my crawly crypt. This little drama is about one of life's unexpected pleasures. Dying, that is. Most of us only get to do it once, and it's all over before you can really enjoy it. But one man did get to die again, and he liked it so much, he started doing it for a living. This is the story of Ulrich the Undying, a sideshow performer who found death not only fun, but profitable. In fact, he is dying to put on a show for you right now.
Gather round. Come from far, come from near. Gather round, folks, right over here. Come see the show. 100% natural, nothing artificial. Guaranteed no pesticides, but perhaps a homicide. Tonight, a special show. 2 shows in one. The tragedy of death and the miracle of resurrection. Tonight, this man, our very own Ulrich the Undying, will be sealed into a coffin and buried in a grave 6 feet under to await his inevitable expiration by the grasp of suffocation. I call to your attention the clock, which hangs above his grave. Ulrich will be buried alive at precisely the stroke of midnight, but we're not going to let him out until noon tomorrow, at which time his precious oxygen will have been exhausted. Folks, this is an escape that Houdini himself couldn't have gotten out of. I give to you Ulrich the Undying!
When they dig me up, I'll be dead. Just like all those bastards want me to be. But I won't stay that way. I remember the day it all began.
Who are you? How would you like to be rich?
Hey, get out.
Richer than you ever thought possible. Richer than you ever dreamed of. This money, my life savings, will be yours. If you consent to a small experiment. Yes, my friend. Come.
Where is it? Where is it?
This, you'll pardon the term, is a CAT scan. It shows the blood flow into the brain of a healthy house cat. This shows the brain of a cat near death. No,
What's your point, Doc?
my point is that this cat didn't die, not permanently. An hour later, he was healthy as a kitten. And the same thing happened again and again until the 9th time when he finally stayed dead.
Oh, different cat, huh? What's all this got to do with me?
Well, I want to give you those 9 lives. The next best. Don't touch! The next best thing to being immortal. It's a simple matter, really. Removing a gland from a common cat and surgically grafting it into your brain.
Wait. Into my brain? Oh, so I can die 9 times? Now you're making sense, Doc.
Precisely.
Now, and this is where you're gonna do it, huh? I'm gonna get your gland. And these are the tools of the profession. Hey, wait a minute. If this don't work...
If it doesn't work, you have no complaint.
Holy Christ, I've had hangovers before, but this is terrible.
My head? Hey, wait a minute, Doc. You didn't say you were gonna shave my head.
How do you feel?
Shitty. Doc, did it work?
Absolutely fabulous. Fantastic. You now have the 9 lives of this poor cat.
Wait a minute. How do I know I've got 9 lives?
They sought to kill you. There is no doubt about it.
No!
Welcome back to life, my friend.
You bastard! You tried to kill me!
I didn't try to kill you. I did kill you. Deadlier than Calcius nuts. And you can still die 8 more times.
All right. If that's true, when do I get my money?
As I promised, right now. But before you stagger into the nearest bar to slurp down your money, how would you like to make 100 times more? 1,000?
No. What else you want to do to me?
Dear boy, just thought perhaps your special talent could make us both a lot of money. Enough to finance my years of my longevity research and enough, of course, to buy you an ocean of alcohol.
What do I gotta do?
First, you need a shave. Trying not to cut your own throat. Those extra lives are too valuable to waste.
Why not? It'll be worth millions.
No, I'm not interested. I've seen escape acts. The only thing that disappears is the audience.
Yeah, but Ulrich the Undying is different. You see, he doesn't escape. He actually dies right before your eyes. That's why we can only schedule a limited number of performances.
He dies?
Yes.
Okay, strange love, I'll give it a shot. I hope it works. I can use the money. My freaks need a new shoe. Gather round, as Ulrich the Undying defies the drowning chamber, a watery nightmare for which there is no escape. 3 minutes is enough to kill any mere mortal. But Ulrich will remain underwater for a full hour, as verified by the eminent Dr. Manfred Mann.
Dr. Emil Manfred.
Whatever you say, Doctor. All right. Are you ready?
Huh?
Are you ready?
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, boys. Fill her up. Ladies and gentlemen, as the water engulfs Ulrich, I beg you to control your emotions. Make no move to save him! Some background
You want to have dinner after?
Born in
You want to have dinner with me later?
liberal Shiite parents, he was a child prodigy who spent his early years
Dinner.
Fill him up. Then Ulrich. Amilati!
Dinner with me later. Dinner. Eat. You want to eat with me? Later. After you're done?
Autograph for you.
I'll wait here, okay?
Speed it up. That's it. He's deader than a possum on the interstate. He's dead in shit. Don't worry, folks. We're gonna still keep him in there for a full hour. May I have the official clock?
He's dead. He's officially dead.
Thank you, Dr. Manfred. Drain the tank! This may seem like Ulrich's last performance, but don't go away yet, folks. For Ulrich is a man who lives only to die again. I give you resurrection! Resurrection!
Is he gonna come back for dinner?
Of course he's gonna come back. Resurrection, Doc! Resurrection! Folks, don't go away! Doc! Doc, you get in trouble in some states for this. Resurrection! Folks, don't go away! Resurrection! I'd be happy to give you a rain check, perhaps. Get the fuck up! Folks, listen.
It's his fault, I'm rich! What's your name, honey?
Carly?
Hey, Carly, how would you like to have some Italian food? I'm buying. Doc, get me a towel. Hey, I'm resurrected!
Resurrection! Resurrection! He's alive! Resurrection! Gather round!
Just think, Doc. 10 grand just to let them watch me drown on the 10 o'clock news.
And don't forget, Ulrich, that 60% goes to continue my longevity research.
Hey, Doc, relax. We got a partnership. And I got a date. That's one thing I'll say for old Doc Manfred. He wasted no time getting me killed again.
Gather round for a little frontier justice, as our own Ulrich the Undying is going to have a little necktie party as he gets his neck stripped before our very eyes.
He's like a nice day to die. I became a sensation. Crowds would gather from miles around just to see me bite the big one. Hey, how's it going? Nice coming back. Hey, seen you last time, yeah.
Ladies, gentlemen, Texans, and other faint-hearted may want to turn your eyes away from this horrible example of what happens when you do the dirty in the dirty town of Dastardly.
I said I don't want to do it.
Pull it. Corley, pull left.
You do it. I don't want to.
Well, there's not much riding upstairs, but downstairs, what's counting?
Corley, pull left.
I don't want to do it. I don't want. She's dead. She's dead.
Corley, rope, grab the rope. Corley, I don't want to waste the life.
Hey, Doc. There's an awful lot of money at dying, is there?
As long as I get my percentage.
Hey, Doc, no problem. I mean, after all, you're the guy counting the money, right? Me? Well, that was my share.
Hi, baby.
Hi, baby. Doc, thanks a million. Thanks a million.
Ulrich!
I want to see Mr. Friendly.
I figured it was time to boost my profits. So I waited just for the right moment.
Think what a strange machine the human body is, Ulrich.
Yeah, how about that?
You can kill a man by destroying less than 1% of his body. He can be 99% healthy and dead.
Amazing, isn't it?
Every human body is like a walking chemistry set, and if anything happens to upset that delicate balance, death.
Jesus.
That's why you're so amazing, Ulrich. Because your body fixes itself, and it's going to make us both a lot of money.
Well, Doc, you're half right about that. See, it's gonna make me a lot of money. See, I gotta breach our contract, Doc. You're about to die in a terrible car accident.
What are you talking about? That's murder.
Yeah, Doc, but who's gonna suspect me? I mean, after all, I'll die with you. But hey, I got 6 lives.
Ulrich.
How many lives do you have?
Wait! Wait, slow down! Ulrich, wait!
No hard feelings, Doc.
Gather round. Tonight, a special delight. This is no hoax, ladies and gentlemen. In a few minutes, our own Ulrich, the man who lives to die, will be quick-fried with a burst of electrical energy. And one of you lucky folks is going to be the one who pulls the switch. Coralie, will you draw the lucky number? Here we are.
Lucky number is, 5, 2.
It's a 1, darling.
It's a 5.
It's a 1.
5.
1, 0, 5, 9, 0.
That's me!
Come up here and claim your prize.
Congratulations! You get the prize, my boyfriend!
Ulrich, do you have any last words?
Yes, I do. I'd like to dedicate this death to the memory of Dr. Emil Manfred, my dear friend, who would have wanted me to continue.
Shut up and cook 'em.
Are you ready?
You bet your ass I'm ready.
I'm ready to die.
Then nuke 'em!
Go for it, Grandma!
Shocking, isn't it? Go for the bird! Looks like that's the end of Ulrich, eh?
Taking cake.
Resurrection! Or are you gonna make a liar out of me? Resurrection! Okay, Ulrich. Ulrich.
Resurrection!
Just a gag, folks. He's a killer. Come on, Ulrich. Resurrection. Come on, Ulrich. Come on.
Resurrection! The child of Grandma killed my boyfriend! Yay!
He's going for a new world record!
That's one thing I hadn't figured. Some resurrections take longer than others.
Appreciate your business. All right, now, first we drain the mess.
No, you can't involve him. He's not really dead.
Well, you could have fooled me. Now, please excuse me. I have a very tight schedule.
Lori, baby, what was that tape?
50,620.
What time for, honey? What time for? Listen, I missed you while I was dead. You listen to me?
I missed you.
Good. Oh, that one. Whoa, that one. Whoa. That one was too close for comfort. I mean, if this guy embalms me, I don't know if I can come back. And even if I can, So, the next time, I made special arrangements. Coralie was gonna get my body no matter what.
Gather round, gather round. Shoot an arrow, lay the bear in the ground. Now, for your pleasure, for a limited time only, is a chance to kill a real live human being.
Come on, I'm dying to die. Come on, hit me. In the heart.
Give him a heart on, as it will.
Yeah!
Yes, come on up here. A man of the sea. Come on up here, son. Come on up here, Admiral.
Come on, Navy, let's go. Show that bimbo what you got.
That'll be $1,000, please. Come on. What's $1,000 when you have to kill a real human being?
Yeah.
Come on, what are you, afraid?
Yes? No? Well, then anchors away, Popeye. Okay, move away. Come on, let's go. Who'll be next? Come on, what an opportunity! Oh, here's a macho man. The puppet iron, I see, huh? Oh, yes, we do take credit cards. Oh, Arnold Schwarzenegger. Well, okay, step right up there, son. Time is money.
Bonzo!
Don't play to the crowd, play to the bear. That's the one you're trying to kill. Come on, he's dying to die.
Come on, asshole. Where'd you get that hat?
Shut up! Get the bear. One shot you have here. Come on, boy. You gonna do it. I know you can. The bear's over there.
I'm getting out of here.
He's gonna kill us.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Aim! Fire! Oh, so near and yet so far. As the French say, c'est tough shit. Who's next? Come on, fun for the whole family!
Junior's gonna give it a try.
A father and son team!
Come on. I know you can do it. What do we got, 1,000?
$1,000.
Well worth it for my son. Come on, Junior. Don't be a sissy now.
I don't want to.
Junior.
Listen to your father, son. Listen to your father.
All right, come on. I'm going to get you junior membership in the NRA. If some kids kill rabbits, you can kill people. Come on now. Put your hand up.
I don't want to kill anybody.
Come on, I've been killing people for years. Now it's your turn. Come on, you can line it up.
No.
Steady. Now!
You did that on purpose, Junior.
Dad.
You did it on purpose, Junior.
You little fat fucker. All right, who'll be next? Come on. Personal check? Yes, we take personal checks. I'll need 2 pieces of identification, please. Look at this. Look at this. State Fair Archery Champion, 1987. Well, if anyone can hit him, I guess he can, huh? Go get him, sir, and good luck to you.
Sweet dreams, Ulrich.
He's dead!
So what do I win?
The lovely Cora. Congratulations, sir.
I need someone to help me move the body.
I'm sorry, but you can't move him.
I have a special arrangement with the deceased.
Doesn't make any difference.
You want me to keep this if there was any objections?
Holy shit. This is more money than I make in a year.
You're welcome.
Can I help you move the body?
Yeah. You made the front page.
Shitty picture.
How you feeling, honey?
Baby, this dying shit's taking years off my life.
Okay.
Who is it?
Gather round, gather round. Here we go. 80% of the box office take, payola from HBO, and some side bet money, too.
Gimme.
You know, Ori Booby, on a more personal note, I want you to sincerely know how I want you to know that.
Grand.
Remember me, Carney, as Sue Carney.
60,000. Coralie, baby,
Yeah?
what do you say we take a vacation? Go over to Vegas, catch Wayne Newton's act, hop over to the Bahamas, and then we'll skip over to Paris. Hey, did I tell you? Polanski wants to film my life story. All of them.
Yeah? That sounds wonderful. But I have an even better idea. I'll go on vacation, and you can stay here! Stay here! Stay here! Sorry. I gotta go now. No hard feelings whatsoever, okay? Because, just, enjoy the rest of your, oh, bye, Mr. Friendly. The rest of your lives. Look out, Vanna.
That bitch double-crossed me. She killed me and took the money that I died for. Well, I still have one life left. And this life is gonna pay me plenty.
You want what?
I want everything. All of the profits, 100%.
100%, but that'll leave me with practically nothing.
Look, asshole, don't you remember what a shithouse this place was before I showed up? Besides, I can't help but think what the audience will do when their star attraction pulls a no-show.
That's blackmail.
That's right.
All right.
All right, what?
All right, 100%. And I don't know how you can live with yourself.
I don't. That sucker. If I wanted, I could have got a share from his corn dog concessions.
By the old clock on my wrist, it seems that its hour is approached. Come on, boys. The time has come. Lower them down. There we go. Hey, listen, Owen, when you get to hell, don't forget to write. Hey, here's mud in your eye.
Although I do feel a little bad about the doc. But what the hey? I'm already set for life. And all because of that poor little kitty. Or dead little kitty. Too bad he had to die. Wait a minute. That cat. It died. It already died once. It only had 8 lives left. Oh my God. I don't have 9 lives. Hey! Hey, somebody!
Well, you ought to be about out of here by now.
You're kidding. Grow up. It's all a fake.
Yeah? You think so?
Of course. You don't think they really let someone die down there?
Somebody wait! I don't have 9 lives!
You hear something, Al?
Nah. It's probably just a cat.
Yeah, right. Just a cat.
Somebody! I don't have 9 lives! Somebody! Let me out!
Nice kitty. Get! Hope you enjoyed our little bedtime story, kids. Alas, poor Ulrich. Miss a bet. Though dying for dollars could have been a popular game show, they could have put it in between Wheel of Misfortune and the newly dead game. Unless they buried it in the wrong time slot.